So the next client business is like students around the world come to study the medical science in a country, and it's official data, and they used to track the doctor's experience and their responsibility throughout the journey of the doctor experience. Is like they come from different parts of the world, educate here, and then they track their experience. So they want to monitor the doctor's career after graduates to current year expertise. So basically, when we graduate from being a doctor like MBBS, and they ask survey at each and every year for each and every student, and they respond like, I want to be a dentist in future. So to become a specialist in any part of the career in the doctors, so they had to work like 5 to 6 years in order to become a specialist for that. And they also asked in the survey that where they want to work. They want to work in a rural area or they want to work in metropolitan cities. So it prefers based on that, and they also need to analyze this, and they want to relocate the doctors if they want to do that, because this is a government backed thing, so they can decide, they can take a call of who and where they want to move their doctors into different locations. So the data structure is like they have a SharePoint Excel files which is available there, and then from there we are connecting into Power BI data flow and then transform the data, and then we build the report in Power BI. So this is actually coming from a different sources. So they have done manually that collect the information from third sources manually or through online, and then they get the data everything into one single Excel sheet into SharePoint. So they export the data from custom application stored in a SharePoint Excel file. We transform in Power BI data flows and used in Power BI. The challenges what we have faced here, it had a lot of column, about 300 columns are there, because this is a survey, right? So it has a lot of questions to that and a lot of multiple options. So each and every student need to select that. So it has a 300 columns, and client help to find out which column required for their reporting purpose and also for the future needs. Transformed and separated the data into data flows and enhanced the report by considering color blindness and maintain the theme for that. And not only that, we also implemented, this was a flat table of 300 columns, and we also implemented the star schema to split the tables based on the requirement into fact and multiple dimensions, and build the report on top of that.